sign on that little black line. I've not been able to sufficiently dine. 2 weeks of soup ain't much of a meal. $444 a month ain't much of a deal. I got it in a car. I hear pay here. I got it in a car. Well, I got it in a road as I dare be. Well, let me see now. I've had that car about a little over a week. Already that thing begin to shake, rattle and squeak. The one little money I do runs across, goes in my gas tank and exhaust. I got it in a car. I got it in a car. Well, I got it in a car. Well, you know the man coming to my pretty car back. Well, my old lady told me not to get a brand new Cadillac. You know, next car I'm going to get, it's going to be one that I can't afford. When I say afford, you know, I mean afford. I got it in a car, the old Crown Victoria. I got it in a car. Well, I got it in a car. All right, fellas, here we go. Just an old affair. But 2 big policemen come up and grab me on the way. Hey, she's never Dan. And I said, yeah, why, show. But you the one that we've been looking for. Friend. I never knew nothing wrong. I always did right. Well, they took me downtown C-bus with a bright light shine. There are 10 poor souls like me standing in that line. I knew I was a victim of someone's evil plan. When a strange little dude walked in and said, "That's the man!" Friend. I was friend. Oh, stop. I never did nothing wrong, but I always did right. Well, prosecutor started prosecuting me. That ugly sucker gave me the old third degree. He said, "Where was you on about June the 29th?" I said, "I was with Lady Gaga." I said, "Judge, this fool is lying." I was free. I never did nothing wrong. At night, the church robbed a liquor store. At night, the charges of carrying a pearl hanger 44. At night, the charges of vagrancy too. But when a judge come down, pour whiskey on the head, turned to the jury and said, "Convict this man, he is drunk." Well, what could I do? I